Well, here's the big news that we're currently tracking. Shah Rukh Khan is likely to be at the High Court today for Aryan Khan's bail hearing. Sources say that Shah Rukh Khan and his manager Pooja Dadlani have already left Mannat. They're going to be part of the hearing in Bombay High Court, which will begin about an hour's time. In fact, 2:30 is the time that's been given for when the case will be brought up for hearing in the Bombay High Court. Shah Rukh Khan now all set to be part of this hearing. Remember, Aryan Khan, his son, has been charged with consumption, possession, sale. These are the allegations made against Shah Rukh Khan and his friends. Shah Rukh Khan's son and his friends. Aryan Khan now has spent at least 20 days in prison. Let me cut across to Divyesh joining us live for more on that. Divyesh, has Shah Rukh Khan got permission to be part of the bail hearing for Aryan Khan at the Bombay High Court? We know that parents are allowed, but considering that Shah Rukh Khan, a superstar, has that kind of fan base, it could be quite chaotic at the Bombay High Court today.
Well, Nabila, yesterday we saw that the courtroom where the bail hearing of Aryan Khan was going on, it was jam-packed, and that is why Justice Samre, in front of the bench which was listening to the bail application, he had to briefly call off the proceedings. He asked various other lawyers who were not part of the case to leave the courtroom. Journalists were asked to leave, and then they were called back again. As of now, it is expected that Shah Rukh Khan could be a part of this hearing. He could appear for the hearing, but it is not confirmed yet whether he'll be present in the court or not. As of now, we are at the Bombay High Court. Shah Rukh Khan hasn't reached Bombay High Court as of now, while the lawyers also haven't reached Bombay High Court. Lawyers representing Aryan Khan, they are also not over here. It could be that Shah Rukh Khan, through the lawyers representing Aryan Khan, could seek permission and attend the hearing, because he is a direct family member of the accused and he can be allowed for the hearing, but the lawyers have to inform court regarding it, because see, there are various procedures going on since COVID lockdown came into place, and as of now also all the procedures haven't been called off, or norms haven't been called off. So anyone other than the accused, other than the lawyers appearing for the court hearing, they have to seek permission from the court. And here also the lawyers will have to inform the bench, the particular bench at the Bombay High Court, that he will be attending this particular hearing, which will be held after 2:30.